This video is going to explain how to properly set up an IT consultant's insurance program and some of the nuances that are different between IT consulting and computer programming and why you don't want to get those two confused. Here we go. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I'm the founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. As you can see, I got my Stay Indie shirt on. We support independent business, small business. It's who we work with every day. It's the way our business is set up is to support you. Okay, so when it comes to IT consulting, I want to be very clear. There is a huge difference between computer programming and building software and software-related products and IT consulting. What we're going to talk about today is specifically about IT consulting. Cabling, networking, setting up computers, doing that kind of work. There may be some security work in there, but that's something that you want to talk to whoever's doing your insurance, and if it's us, we'll talk through that with you. So when it comes to IT consulting, three main coverages that you want to think about. The first, general liability, which should come in a business owner's program or a BOP. BOP for short, business owner's program. That's going to have your general liability, your property, as well as a whole package of other coverages that will protect you in the event that something happens inside that basket of coverages. But it's a lot of little stuff that you don't really think about that if you have a claim, you want coverage for. But that's kind of the standard. Once you get that under control, the main differentiation between IT consulting and computer programming is the difference between professional liability for an IT consultant and tech errors and omissions, which is really for companies building software-related products and applications, okay? If you are a true IT consultant, then what you need is professional liability, and that is fairly straightforward. It oftentimes can come plugged into or attached to your business owner's program or be standalone. Neither one is right or wrong. It all depends on the company and how the policy language and all that kind of stuff and the pricing. If you're doing software programming, that is tech errors and omissions. We have other videos about that. I'll put one right here that you can click on. Different coverage. Tech errors and omissions is going to be way more expensive, way more broad of coverage, and way more specific to building applications. If you're doing IT consulting, you don't necessarily need a tech E&O policy, but you do need professional liability. And that's what you want to focus on. So you have your business owner's policy, your professional liability, and the last coverage you absolutely positively want to have is cyber liability. Now, a lot of times IT consultants will tell us, hey, we have a security program and security protocols and all that. That's all amazing and you absolutely should have that, but you need to have that safety net underneath you, mostly because a lot of these the new age, the 21st century cyber attacks have nothing to do with hacking a system and everything to do with things like ransomware, where they're literally just plugging some program into your system, or social engineering, where they're just using your system as a jump off point, recreating your email signature and a very close version of your email address and your name likeness and whatever to try to scam your clients, right? So this is just a huge area of concern and absolutely positively a policy you should have if you're an IT consultant. So business owner's policy, professional liability, cyber liability. If you have employees, obviously you need workers' comp. Maybe you have a few other coverages you want to talk through. But very, very important to have at least those three to start. And then if you are creating programming, creating applications, that kind of stuff, doing any kind of software programming, then we want to talk about tech E&O. But they are different products, just to be clear. So this is what we do here at Rogue Risk. We work with small business owners to help them understand their coverage programs, to get them the right insurance, and help them understand it and do that at a price that they can afford and help support their business. If this sounds like the kind of relationship that you're looking for, the best way to get started is to visit us online, roguerisk.com. Go to roguerisk.com today. We also have a link in the description you can use. You can also call us, 518-960-6600, or you can email us, gorogue@roguerisk.com. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.